So we're going to fill in these missing blanks for these tables here. They've got two different tables. And the first one, we should note that we can't necessarily do them all right out of the gate, like this one here. We either need to have this piece of information or we would need this piece of information, which we can do. We just have to kind of pick our order that we do it kind of carefully. So this column here, and let's just call this x for a moment, and that means that x plus 27 needs to equal 53. We're expecting the total to be here. And to find this, of course, we would just subtract 27 on both sides, and 53 minus 27, I believe, is 26. And now we can fill out this blank here because we already have the 1 done, so let's call this y. And that means that just 26 plus 28 is going to be equal to the y, the total, and that's going to be 54. So we can put 54 here in our little spot here. And this last one, and it might be a good check for us to do this, that the total for here, we'll call this m, just for total, is going to be if we add those four numbers up, so 26 plus 28 plus 27 plus 30, and I got 111 from that. That should be the same number if we add these two up, those two totals, 53 plus 58, that's 111, and also 54 plus 57 is also 111. So we could have done it in a few different ways, and it's good to at least do it twice just to make sure, as a check, to make sure we didn't miss one. So for the bottom right one, we'll call this first one here P for pizza, and that means that the pizza plus the 43 for the tacos plus the 47 for the chicken needs to add up to be 128. 43 plus 47 is 90, so we have P plus 90 equals 128. Then we would subtract 90 on both sides, and that's going to give us 38 for the number of 7th graders who like pizza. Again, we could have done it this way as well. We could have done, what number plus 46 equals 84? That would have been totally fine as well. And that's what I'm going to do for this one here. Let's go that 43. We'll call this one T for tacos. So 43 plus the T is going to equal 81. As we can see, there can be different ways to solve this, and a lot of it's going to be up to you. So we subtract 43 on both sides, and that gives us 38 as our answer. And right here for the total for the chicken, that's just going to be 47 plus 48, and that's going to be 95. And so for this very last one, for the totals, way down here, the total of the totals, there are different ways we could find this. We could add up these 6 numbers here. That should be a match. That should be the same thing as this, which would be 260. That one I can just do in my head. And we may want to, again, check it. Let's do 84 plus 81 plus 95. And I did get 260 for that. And then 38 plus 43 plus 47 plus 46 plus 38 plus 48 is also 260. So a good check to do that a couple times just to make sure that we didn't make a simple calculation error.